The 2027 model year marks a major generational shift for both the Kia Telluride and the Hyundai Palisade. While they share a common platform, the 2027 Kia Telluride-X-Pro leans into a rugged, Range Rover-inspired aesthetic, while the 2027 Hyundai Palisade doubles down on a luxury yacht interior and futuristic, boxy exterior. Performance and powertrains. For 2027, both SUVs have largely moved away from the traditional naturally aspirated V6 in favor of turbocharged and hybrid options. Off-road capability. X-Pro versus XRT Pro. The Telluride-X-Pro remains the more capable off-roader of the two, though Hyundai has introduced a more serious XRT Pro trim to compete. Ground clearance. The Telluride-X-Pro leads with 9.1 inches, compared to the Palisade XRT Pro's 8.4 inches. Tires. The X-Pro comes standard with 18-inch wheels wrapped in rugged all-terrain tires. Hardware. The Telluride-X-Pro features an improved electronic limited slip differential, ELSD, and unique towing mode software. The Palisade XRT Pro also gains an ELSD and terrain-specific drive modes, snow, mud, sand, for the first time. Interior and technology. The two vehicles diverge significantly in their cabin philosophy. Kia Telluride, rugged luxury features chunky grab handles on the center console, forged carbon trim in the X-Pro, and a focus on physical controls for climate and volume. It offers a massive 30-inch combined digital display, curved housing for the gauges and infotainment. Hyundai Palisade, mid-century modern. The interior is more fluid and lounge-like, featuring high-end materials like Nappa leather and an available UVC sterilization tray in the console. It also offers unique relaxation seats in the second row with deployable footrests. Cargo and space. The Telluride has grown in length, plus 2.3 inches, and wheelbase, giving it a slight edge in cargo space. Approximate 22 CUFT behind the third row versus 19 CUFT in the Palisade. Key tech differences. Dash cam. The 2027 Palisade introduces a built-in 2-camera dash cam that records while driving and parked. Safety. Both feature the latest version of Highway Driving Assist, HDA 2.0, but Kia's system is often cited for having a more intuitive user interface. Sound. The Palisade offers an optional 14-speaker Bose system, while the Telluride features a 14-speaker Meridian premium audio setup. Summary. Which to choose? Choose the 2027 Kia Telluride-X-Pro if you want the best off-road specs in the class, a tougher exterior look, and a higher 5,500 pounds towing capacity. Choose the 2027 Hyundai Palisade if you prefer a more luxurious, lounge-like interior, advanced family tech like the built-in dash cam and UVC sanitizer, and a smoother, more futuristic design. These two are closely related, same parent company, similar platform, but they now differ more than ever, especially in powertrain and off-road focus. Positioning and character. Telluride-X-Pro, rugged, adventure-focused trim. Designed for off-road plus lifestyle buyers. Emphasizes capability, lift, terrain modes. Palisade, including XRT Pro/hybrid, more luxury-leaning, family-oriented. Prioritizes comfort, tech, and refinement. Off-road trim exists but is less hardcore. Bottom line, Telluride-X-Pro equals soft-roader SUV, Palisade equals premium family SUV. Engine and performance. Telluride-X-Pro 2.5L turbocharged inline-4, 274 HP, 311 lb-ft, AWD standard on X-Pro. Hybrid option available, 329 horsepower. Palisade 3.5L V6, 287 HP. New hybrid option, 329 HP. FWD or AWD. Key difference. Palisade equals smoother V6 feel, or hybrid power. Telluride equals turbo efficiency plus modern drivetrain. Off-road capability. Big difference. Telluride-X-Pro, Advantage 9.1 inches ground clearance. All-terrain tires plus 18-inch wheels. Electronic limited slip differential. Terrain modes: snow, mud, sand. Off-road camera plus gauges. Palisade XRT Pro, 8.4 inches ground clearance. Similar AWD plus terrain modes. Slightly less aggressive setup. Verdict: Telluride-X-Pro is clearly better off-road. Palisade is light adventure only. Fuel economy: both are surprisingly close. AWD 18/24 miles per gallon, similar. Off-road trims: Telluride-X-Pro 17/22 miles per gallon. Palisade XRT Pro 16/22 miles per gallon. Hybrid versions: Telluride Hybrid up to 35 mpg. Palisade Hybrid 33 mpg city. Interior and technology: Telluride New Gen Advantage massive 30-inch display setup. Premium materials: suede, faux carbon trim. Streaming apps. Quiet, refined cabin. Palisade high-end luxury feel, especially calligraphy. UV sterilization tray, USB-C everywhere. Relaxation seats, premium finishes. Verdict: Telluride equals more modern tech plus bold redesign. Palisade equals slightly more traditional luxury. Space and practicality: both are very close. Seating: 7 to 8 passengers. Cargo space: nearly identical. Telluride: slight edge in maximum cargo. Palisade: slight edge in interior comfort features. Design: Telluride new look. Boxier, Range Rover-inspired styling. More rugged and upscale appearance. Palisade, sleek, futuristic vertical lighting. More elegant than rugged. Verdict: Telluride equals bold and tough. Palisade equals refined and upscale. Pricing: estimated Telluride starts $40,700. X-Pro top trims $58,000. Palisade $41K, $56,000 depending on trim. Hybrid: Telluride Hybrid slightly more expensive than Palisade Hybrid.